Hi, this is Ibrahim from Clayton, and I'm here to introduce you Firebar brand, which is made in Korea. Their ceramic series are very famous, and they have from the basic nano coat ceramic until Dokdo, which is one of the most advanced ceramic coating used in the world, which has like top and base coats that are used on the car, like two coats on the car. It's a dual coat, and there are a lot of varieties of ceramics from 1 year warranty until 10 years warranty. And let me explain about this very special product, which is butterfly graphene. It has 8 years of warranty, and because of the graphene used in the ceramic, it gives you a very slick and hydrophobic and one of the best performance that you can see in the nano ceramic coatings. Fireball is very famous for their car care products, such as car waxes, car shampoos, and tire cleaners, interior cleaners, fabric coatings, and all that. And let me show you something very interesting. These shampoos have density of 1 to 700. Like 1 liter of this you can mix with 700 liter water and wash your car. Like buy one bottle and use it for life.